Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Midnight Dusk for Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie, or crayon. So I'm gonna begin with drawing her beanie with a curved line in the middle point, diagonal turn outwards and down at the side on the left and right. And at this upper point, I'm going to copy the same set of line right there and semicircle turn downwards on both sides. Above that, I'm going to draw a diagonal curve line from the side, semicircle turn in the middle point and back downwards on the right side. Below her head on the right corner, I'm going to draw her hair with a diagonal curve line to the left and down, sharp turn upwards. Copy the same shape of that hair piece along the left corner right here. And below that piece of hair on the left, I'm going to draw her sunglasses with a curve line across. Turn it downwards in the middle point, and from the outer corner, I'm going to make a diagonal curve line turn downwards and in, semicircle turn at this lower point across, and semicircle turn back upwards to the middle point. Inside of that, I'm going to trace the same outline along the edges right there, and I'm going to copy the same shape of the frame on the right side right here. In the middle, I'm going to draw a line across at this upper corner and at this lower point. And on the right side, a line across at this lower point and this upper point. At the side of that, I'm going to draw her ear with an arch curved line across, turn it back downwards at the outer corner, slightly inwards at this lower point to the side of his face. Now for the shape of her face on the left side, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, semicircle turn at that corner, diagonally in, curved line across at the chin, and turn it back upwards diagonally on the right side of her face, and semicircle turn upwards to the side of her ear. I'm gonna draw her eyebrow above the sunglasses with a line down off center right there, a diagonal curved line outwards at this lower point, turn it sideways. Copy the same shape again at this upper point right there, and above that eyebrow, I'm gonna draw another piece of hair on the right side. From this corner, curved line downwards and out, turn it back upwards, and another curved line towards her ear. Copy the same shape of her eyebrow on the left side right here. Below the sunglasses in the middle point, I'm going to draw her nose with a curved line across in the middle right there, and at the side of that, a curved line downwards on the left and right. Below that, I'm going to draw her mouth with a curved line across and slightly upwards at the outer corner. And from the outer corner, I'm going to draw her upper lips with a diagonal curved line inwards and up, turn it downwards in the middle point, and copy the same shape again on the right side right there. For the lower lips, I'm going to take the same corners at the side and draw a diagonal curved line downwards, curved line across, and back upwards on the right side. On the left side of her face, I'm going to draw a piece of hair with a curved line out, sharp turn upwards at this outer corner, turn it slightly outwards, and back inwards at this upper point. Below that piece of hair, I'm going to draw another curved line downwards, turn it slightly inwards, sharp turn back up on the right side, and curve it back upwards to the side of her face. Now below her head, I'm gonna draw her neck with a curved line down from the chin right there and turn it outwards at the base of the neck. I'm gonna do the same thing for the right side of her neck right here. And for her choker, I'm gonna draw a curve line across in the middle point right here and another one at this lower point. Now for her hair at the side, a curved line downwards at that corner, sharp turn back up and curve it back out at this upper point. A curved line at the side on the right, turn it inwards and up towards her face. And at the outer corner, I'm gonna draw another piece of hair with a diagonal curved line downwards, turn it slightly inwards, sharp turn back upwards and out and inwards at this upper point. For the right side, I'm gonna draw her hair from her ear with a diagonal curved line downwards, turn it slightly out and curve it back inwards. Copy the same line again at this inner corner, sharp turn back up right there, and below that I'm gonna copy the same shape of the hair again at that point and a line diagonally out at this outer corner. Now for her shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, semicircular turn downwards at the side of the shoulder on the right there, all the way to her elbow point. For the inner line, I'm going to draw another curved line downwards at that point, curved line across to the side of her arm on the right side. For the inner line of that arm, another curved line out and down to the elbow point, another curved line down below the elbow point, flare it slightly out and back inwards to her wrist. I'm gonna do the same thing for the outer line right here. And for her glove, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, a line down on both the inner corner and the outer corner. And for the inner corner, a diagonal curved line there, semicircular turn downwards, semicircular turn at the tip back upwards, and sharp turn downwards to the other finger, diagonal turn inwards and down, semicircular turn back upwards at the outer corner. Copy the same shape of the fingers at the outer corner right there, and at the side here, extend it upwards. And at the outer corner of the glove, I'm gonna draw some spikes with triangle shape with a curved side, like that. Copy that same shape at this upper point, and I'm gonna copy that shape again at the side here. And along the side of the hand, I'm gonna extend the line upwards to the wrist. On every fingers and thumb, I'm gonna draw across a curved line in the middle point. Now at the side of her shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards right there, and another one at this inner corner. And inside of that space, I'm gonna draw some X symbol right there. And below her sleeve, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line down right there, sideways to the left, and turn it upwards on the left side. Semicircular turn at that corner, slightly inwards diagonally. Now for her left shoulder, I'm gonna draw a line out from the neck, semicircular turn downwards on the left side right there. And for the details at the sleeve here, I'm gonna copy the same shape as the right side, and in the middle below her neck, I'm gonna draw the color of her t-shirt with a curved line down on the left, semicircular turn to the right, and semicircular turn back up diagonally on the right side. Trace the same line again at this outer corner right there. Below her shirt, I'm going to draw her waist with a diagonal curved line downwards, and the left and right. and below that a curved line across for the top of her shorts. Now for the buckle of her belt, I'm gonna draw a rectangle shape, and I'm gonna leave the right side with a gap like that, and inside of the buckle on the left corner in the middle point I'm gonna draw a small rectangle shape right there, and at this upper corner inside of that I'm gonna draw a line outwards to the right, a similar line at this lower point, and I'm gonna trace the line of the buckle at the side here at this inner corner. At the ending point on the right side, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape at that corner and another similar rectangular shape on the left side. On the right side, I'm going to draw a curved line across, semicircle turn downwards, and semicircle turn back in to the left. And for the line of the belt, I'm going to draw across a curved line for the upper point all the way to the right, and I'm going to do the same thing for the lower line of the belt. Turn it downwards on both sides, and above the belt I'm going to draw a circular line to the top of her short. And for her shorts, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards and slightly flare it out to the thigh, and I'm going to do the same thing on the right side right here. Curved line across for the lower part, and in between the shorts I'm going to draw a curved line across at that corner. Off center of that curved line I'm going to draw a diagonal line to the lower point of the shorts. On the left side I'm going to draw a similar curved line across and turn it upwards as well in the middle point. Below the shorts, I'm going to continue the line of her legs with a curved line downwards, slightly inwards towards her knee point on both the inner corner and the outer corner. Below the knee point, another curved line downwards, slightly flare it out and back inwards towards her ankle point. And I'm going to do the same thing for the outer line of the legs right here. Now for her boots, I'm going to draw a line across from the side, turn it downwards, across, and turn it upwards, across, and turn it downwards on both sides with curved line. And in the middle point, I'm going to draw a circular shape and a droopy teardrop shape at the side. Copy the same shape again at this inner corner, and I'm going to copy the whole thing on the right side right there. Below that I'm going to draw some crisscross knots in the middle point right there, and at the side of the knot at this upper corner I'm going to draw a curved line and another one at this lower point, and a curved line downwards on both ending points at the side. Curved line downwards for the boots on both the left and right, flare it slightly out, semicircle turn at the corner, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the outer line of the boots. Curved line across at this lower point, and below that a line down on both the left and right for the base of the boots, and a curved line across right there. I'm gonna add another knot at the middle point right here, and below that a line down at the side, semicircle turn to the left and downwards. Mirror the same line again on the right side. And along her thigh, I'm gonna draw across a curved line and another similar line at this lower point. I'm gonna copy the whole leg shape and the arms shape on the left side. Now on her left arm, I'm gonna draw her bangles with a curved line above the glove, a semicircle turn downwards on both sides, and another curved line across at this lower point. Copy that same shape again at this upper corner, right there. And inside of her choker, in the middle point, I'm gonna draw a V shape at this lower point and an upside down V shape above that. And for her earring, I'm gonna draw a dot at this lower point of her ear. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!